Hey guys, I just received these earrings. They are these studs with a diamond. This is what it came in. It came in with a little container. And these are the earrings themselves. So I'm going to put them on to show you what they look like on. The backings are also in the packaging. It uses the butterfly backings. And then there's just a thank you card with a cloth to probably like clean them or whatever. So I'm gonna open these up real quick. Okay, it also comes with this. Oh look, it comes with a card, and then it just comes with like some information and like all about the gem, which is pretty cool. This is this. Anyways, here are the earrings themselves. I'm gonna put them on for you guys. So it looks like it already comes with a backing, but I think actually these backings are these clear ones, which you can also put on. You could have two for extra like precaution to make sure they do not come off. Okay, so here they are. Let's go ahead and put them on. Okay, so I'm gonna first put on the butterfly backing. Okay, next is the clear backing. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to show you guys a video at the end so you can see actually how it looks. But these earrings honestly work for girls and boys. They're just, you know, basic earrings. They're super shiny, which I really like about them. I'm going to quickly put on the other earring. Here is the earring in better lighting, but my camera still couldn't focus because they're so shiny. But my ears are super sensitive and these felt super lightweight and easy. But overall, I think that these earrings would be a great gift or a perfect touch to your outfit.